an introduction to money. Money and the faith people place in it is central to the workings of the modern economy. However, money comes in many different forms, and as it has evolved over time, the definition of money has changed with it. In order to understand what exactly money is in a modern economy, it's helpful to break down money into its differing roles. Firstly, as a store of value. Secondly, a unit of account. Thirdly, a medium of exchange. Firstly, let's look at money as a store of value. So money is used as a store of value just like precious metals were in the past. Gold and other precious metals have intrinsic value, and that intrinsic value does not tend to change unpredictably over time. Now compare this with food, for example, which does have an intrinsic value, but since food decays, food was not considered a good store of value. Therefore, it is not surprising that precious metals in the form of coins became one of the earliest forms of money as a store of value. And today we use money as a store of value not because it has intrinsic value, but because of the faith we and others place in its value as a unit of account or a medium of exchange. Now, let's look at money as a unit of account. Money, when it's working properly, provides a consistent measure for comparing the value or cost of a range of goods and services. In a modern economy, this form is usually a currency such as pounds, dollars or euros, and we also use these currencies as a unit of account to record debts and loans. Lastly, money is a medium of exchange. People hold money because they plan to swap it for something else at a later date. Modern money has no intrinsic utility. People don't collect coins and notes to be used for any purpose other than to exchange them for goods or services at some point in the future. In a modern economy, this medium of exchange takes form in currency or money. Now, all three of these functions are closely linked and are to a large extent interdependent. A currency which is accepted as a unit of account, a medium of exchange, but whose reliability as a store of value is questionable, is ultimately likely to fail in its utility to a modern economy. And this is exactly what happened in post-World War I Germany, where hyperinflation had a huge impact on the stability of society.